The Dirty Dozen in Aviation Maintenance. Welcome. In this video, we will explore lack of awareness in aviation maintenance. First, we will begin with the introduction. Then we will discuss the consequences of lack of awareness. Next, we'll focus on building awareness and cover recommendations and good practices. Finally, we will conclude with a brief summary. Let's start with the introduction. We've all experienced tunnel vision. When focused on a specific task, it's easy to miss what's happening around us. This lack of awareness can lead to accidents and inefficiencies. Let's examine the consequences of lack of awareness. A simple lack of awareness can have unintended consequences, not just for ourselves, but for our colleagues and the overall project. Let's move on to building awareness. Building awareness is key. By understanding our roles within a team and the bigger picture, we can anticipate potential issues. Taking the time to communicate clearly and ask what-if questions helps prevent problems before they occur. Let's continue with the recommendations and good practices. Here are some good practices to stay aware. 1. Communication. Clearly communicate plans and potential hazards. 2. Double-checking. Ask colleagues to review your work and vice versa. 3. Situational awareness. Be mindful of your surroundings and how your actions impact others. 4. Procedures. Follow established protocols like scanning and using checklists. Let's finish with the conclusion. In conclusion, maintaining awareness in aviation maintenance is crucial for safety and efficiency. By recognizing the importance of awareness and implementing good practices, we can minimize errors and enhance team performance. Remember, staying aware is not just about looking out for ourselves, but also about protecting our colleagues and ensuring the success of our projects.